Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create La Muerte from the Book of Life in Dress to Impress. I actually have not watched it. I've been meaning to watch it, but I just haven't gotten the time to watch a lot of movies. Because sometimes when I watch movies, like, I get bored. Like, I don't have the attention span anymore for some reasons. Anyways, that is not your problem, but I'm just going to use this hair. I'm just going to color it black, and I'm just going to color it this orange like that. And then I'm also going to use this hair in black. For the fit, we are going to use this in, I think, only sleeves in like this red and white color for like the sleeves. And then for the skirt, we are going to use this too in red and orange. Okay, this part is orange. And then the rest, I do want to color just red. And then we're going to get the feather dress here in red and orange later here, like for this part. I think we're going to color it orange here. And we're also going to turn off the sleeves. I forgot to mention that. And then we are going to use this symbol, I forgot, in red and orange as well. And then we're also going to use the skirt. I think we're just going to do the only skirt, oops, in red and orange again. And then we're going to, sorry, I'm like looking at the reference right now. We're going to use this in black and orange. Oh, whoops. It's like a brighter orange actually for that. And then we're going to get these sleeves here. This one, and we're going to color that red as well. Oh, we do need to customize this so it is a little bit bigger. Maybe like not that big, but to be honest, like her hat is this big. So we're just going to do that actually. I'm just going to move it down a little bit more. And then I'm also going to go back here for this. And I'm just going to color it in green. Hello, where's the runway? Oh. And I'm just going to move it up a little bit here. I'm just going to color everything green for a sec. One moment, please. I am going to scale it down, and then I'm going to position it a little bit more up here. Then for the candle part of the fit, and we're just going to use this in this color. Hopefully we can make it matte. I'm not sure. Let's just do that first. Let's bring it up here and a little bit forwards and a little bit down. I'm going to scale it to make it smaller actually. Make it up here. Like there. We're going to cover this with some flowers. Don't worry, guys. Get this. And then we're going to, again, put it up here. And we're going to put it forwards to cover that up. And we're just going to, color it in, orange. Just go, back and forth between these two. So there's a little bit more dimension. Like that. And then we will need some pink flowers as well. So I'm just going to use this one for it. And I'm just going to move it off to the side a little bit so you guys can see. And then I'm just going to color everything in pink, I guess. Maybe like this pink, actually. Like so. What else is missing? I'm like looking at the reference. I mean, I guess you can stop here. You can also add these on if you'd like to. She has like some like lights up front here, but they do have to be like super like big. So if you want to add that, you can, but it's up to you if you want to. Maybe I'll make that like red here and the rest like neon glowing like that maybe. I don't know. Only if you want to. And then what else? I think I could call it like this. I feel like oh my gosh, I'm like missing glowing eyes, but I do have to kind of make them small, so I need to scale it. Wait, let me position it here, and then I'm just going to scale it down. Then I'm going to position it forwards. I'm just going to position it like here first. And where is it? And then I'm going to save this so I can make this smaller. So let me just name it eyes. And then I'm just going to wear that again. And then I'll go back to the eyes and hopefully I can adjust it because I want to use it. There, I can adjust it. I'm not going to make it super small though. Like I'm just going to do it so it's in the middle. And I'm just going to position that in the middle too. And maybe like a little bit backwards like here to make the eyes glow, which is the last touch. And let's just add a neon glow. Perfect. And that is how you can create this from the Book of Life. That is how you can create La Muerte. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.